excited to see you and meet you in person. How are you?
Hey.
Give a hug. Hi, Ruby.
Hey.
Ruby has a surprise for you. You want to show her? You are getting another scholarship! We're so proud of you. You know, you are a 7-time Rockin' recipient. 7 times. We're so proud of you. You're incredible.
You heard that right.
Proud of you today.
Breezy has earned 7 Ruby's Rainbow scholarships. She is that amazing. I made a sign for her. We are excited to be invited to Breezy's house.
Yeah! Thanks to you!
They even played some Kelly Clarkson music just for me.
She loves her some
Breezy wanted to show me the things she likes to do.
You made that blanket? Wow.
She loves to crochet.
Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. Look at this, Rubes. This is like yours, but just different colors.
Yeah, I made this. So,
Wow.
Breezy sent me this blanket that she made all by herself. It's my favorite because it's a lot of different colors. Kind of like a rainbow.
Oh, you're good at that.
Her mom said it took her 3 months to crochet. I love it so much.
and the way I'm holding my needle, I go cross again, and cross again.
Breezy and her teacher also tried to teach me how.
Stick it in this hole right here. There you go.
I was pretty proud of myself that I did it.
There you go. Got it. Just that fast. That looks good.
Breezy also likes to bake.
I know. Look at you go. You like to cook, Breezy?
So we have that in common. I love to cook and want to be a chef when I grow up.
Well, you're gonna have to teach me because I don't know how to make queso. So if I want queso, I just go to the
It
Mexican
says
restaurant.
cheese and mix it. That's it.
Well, excuse me, Ruby. You know more than I do.
And the other thing we have in common is we both love goldfish.
Goldfish, cheers.
And dancing, of course.
My favorite saying is Adele. What did you say?
I'm gonna say Kelly Clarkson. I'm so happy we got to help Breezy to go to college.
I'm proud of you, Breezy.
It was cool to finally meet you in person, Breezy. We love you.
The 321 pledge is happening right now.
Donate $21.
Donate $21.
It may not seem like much,
Oh my goodness.
but your $21 pledge today
Oh my gosh, thank you.
makes this possible.
You have been chosen to receive a scholarship.
$7,000? I'm going to college.
My daughter inspired us to start Ruby's Rainbow
Do you think you might go to college someday?
I want to.
because people with Down syndrome are amazing, capable, and worthy of it all.
I got it! Baby Rainbow Scholarship! I got it!
A Ruby's Rainbow Scholarship tells them that they matter, that they can reach for their goals and dream big.
Thank you, Ruby's Rainbow.
But we can't do it without you.
So we raised this money because people thought that this was worthy and that you are worthy. And people wanted to let you know how proud we are.
Let's do this together. because this year, Ruby's Rainbow is dreaming big.
Will you dream with me?